Hey guys, what's up? This is your gal Val Pound, and this is the BCB. Damn.
Double D, big full breast on my baby.
So, yeah, this is your gal Val Pound. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I said that, but we ain't gonna talk about it. And what we are gonna talk about is, I already took it out the box. What brought you here today, right? How to do an eyelash perm. I forget what the actual thing, what they actually call it whenever you go get it done. But yeah, I don't fuck with the creamy crack though. As you can see, you know, I'm all team natural. But in this instant, I wanted to try this out, so I ordered this on Amazon. It was like $15. There are instructions that come inside the packaging, just telling you everything you need to know. It comes with eyelash glue. I know just reading on some of the reviews on Amazon, I think they say that you can use like duo eyelash glue. It doesn't have to be this one. There's some kind of eyelash perming solution. Get you in there. Yeah, right there. So, and then step 2, which is the eyelash treatment first cream, which is this pretty cool looking green color. And then the third thing is the eyelash cleanser. I guess you're just gonna clean your eye. The last thing is an eyelash restore. It's this last one. It has this in here. I forget what they're called. It's like little cotton rolls or something. And yeah, so you get some of these. That's what's missing in the little square. Yeah, so we're just gonna follow the instructions. Yeah, also before I move any further, I'm tripping. If you're not subscribed to me already, yeah, do that, please. Support your girl. I love supporting people. If you got a YouTube channel, drop it down below. Drop it down in one of the comments below, and I will absolutely follow you. Like, I love, like, we gotta support each other. We all trying to get this money out here, just doing what we love, right? Okay, y'all. So I definitely was not recording some of it, so I decided I was just gonna finish the rest of it off camera for this eye, and I'm just gonna do this eye through and through. Ow. It didn't burn anything. Like, it wasn't really too hard. It was getting the glue off. That's the hard part, really. So I decided I'm just gonna use this glue. It's just like my super strong hold glue from Kiss. Or you can use like the duo one. I mean, I don't really think I need to explain what I'm about to do. So I'm just taking my applicator and I'm just brushing it off. Alright, so yep, I'm just taking that glue and I'm actually brushing it on the back of this shield, and I'm gonna slap that thing on my eyelid. Girl, weird as fuck, I know, but trust the processes. So yep, I'm just going ahead and brush some glue where my eyelashes are gonna go. I know, once again, we have our element, but it is all good. So yep, I'm just going ahead and just brushing my eyelashes up on the glue so they'll actually be able to stand up and be able to put all the permanent solution on and all that stuff. So yep, right now I am taking the eyelash permanent solution and I am just putting it all over my eyelashes. I'm putting that thing on there, girl, like I'm trying to put it on my nigga. Yeah. Alright, yep, so I let that sit for 15 minutes, and right now I am using the eyelash cleanser. You're actually going to use that to brush off the eyelash permanent solution. So that's what I'm doing her. Just cleaning it off. So yep, now I am taking the eyelash treatment first cream. Can't miss it, baby. It's green as fuck. So that is the second step. So once you get here, that's, yeah, you're pretty much done. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm brushing it all over. Let that sit for about 15 minutes as well. And yeah, use the same thing. Use the cleanser. Wipe that thing off, boo boo. And that is it. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to finish this little part real quick before I went to work. So my freaking battery died last night while I was trying to finish the last part of this video. So instead of posting like before and after pictures, that's why I ended up doing it first. And I was like, you know, I'll just record it real quick so y'all can see it. you know, in the flesh. So as you can see, like there is a like tremendous difference between before I did this and after. My lashes, I can just feel them on my eyelids. Like it's crazy. Yeah, as you can see, I'm no professional and I still have all my lashes. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I absolutely recommend this product for anybody that wants to save their coins and save time. Like if you don't want to keep putting false lashes on like me, or you know, you just want to just use something that's have a natural feel to it opposed to, you know, individuals or whatever else. I mean, if you want to do that, by all means, do you. Please also ignore how dry my hair is right now. Like I just wanted to get this video finished. So yeah, I'm about to do my hair before I leave. Thumbs up to this product. I love it. I would definitely use it again. Now granted, it took me almost 2 hours to do this, but that was because, you know, I was doing each eye one at a time. So next time it'll probably only take 40 minutes, maybe an hour. But yeah, this is the best 15 bucks I've ever spent. I really like it. So if you have any other questions, I'm probably going to link the videos I watched down below as far as like a little guide, because I probably didn't really go into full depth about the product because I don't know too much, so I don't want to speak on anything I'm not really too familiar with. I was just trying the product. So yeah, I will link those below. I'll also link the product below where I got it, the actual product I'm using. I'll link that below as well. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely plan on making a lot more videos, more than like every 3 or 4 months, right? So I'm still doing a giveaway whenever I reach 100 subscribers. So like I said, get the word out, boo boo. I'm out here, I'm trying to live my best life. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please do so. If you haven't at the beginning, I'm not gonna fool you. Yeah, until next time, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know